Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? So this is an emergency update for all of you because my brother, from last 24 hours, Cardano is again fails down. And what's change occur in upcoming time? Can they will give you a profit or not, my brother? This is absolutely live price prediction and technical analysis. And also I share my opinion in this video to sell, hold or buy. So let's get start this branded video. But kindly holders, subscribe this channel, like this video, and press the bell icon for videos notification. ABS section will update you every time now. So thank you so much. This time you can see, my brother, the Cardano price is 1.55 USD dollar, and you can see, my friend, the price of BTC as 0.40379 USD. So this time you can see here 24-hour volume, as you can see, my friend, 1.8 billion, I think 18 billion, and you can see, my friend, available supply 31 million, and if you can see, my brother, the market cap absolutely, my friend, 49. I think it's increasing now, but this time totally supply, as you can see here, again 32. So it's a thing I want to tell you, my friend. This time the change occur max supply, as you can see here, 44 billion now. So it's a great news for all Cardano holders. From last 7 days, Cardano is moving upward now, and this is just an only, my friend. And my friend, I think yesterday this coin is moving upward, so I think the change occur will be positive now. But from last 24 hours, this coin again fails down. So I was telling you, my brothers, to don't see this short fail, this short jump. If you have any plan to sell it, and those days exactly you were completely in the wrong, because, my brother, Cardano sometimes take a very huge jump and sometimes they fails down. You can see here on the chart result. So this chart, as you can see, my brother, especially from last, you can see, my friend, last 1 day, you can see they fails down. But again, they take a very huge jump now, and absolutely after a fails, they take a jump, and after a jump, they fails down. They will completely move in this circulation. So I will tell you, my brothers, to don't see this short fails, short jumps. Just only focus, my friend. And if you invest for a long time, then just only, my friend, wait for the end of this month, wait for the end of this year, and sell it. I am 100% sure to Cardano is one of the stable coin. They cannot give you, or my friend, they cannot give you a loss, my brother. So just only you need to hold and wait for the good time. All right, so if you check out alerts, so there is no alerts, my brother, and details, if you could see, my friend, this time about the Cardano. So exactly, I'm 100% know, my brothers, to Cardano is one of the good coin, cryptocurrency, my friend, in the crypto market, and one of the stable coin. This is, my friend, very good coin and fastest cryptocurrency in the crypto market. So therefore I will tell you, my brothers, to don't see this short, my friends, details, etc. Just only you need to hold it and wait for a good time. Let's see, my brothers, to what's going on in upcoming time. In the future will be bright or not, my brother. Kindly like this video and subscribe this channel. My opinion is to please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they will give you a profit.